This will be for the con assignment, independent probability. So the formula you need for this assignment, if A and B are independent events, the probability of A and B equals the probability of A times the probability of B. So if you want to find the probability of A and B occurring together, you just multiply the individual probabilities. Captain Tiffany has a ship. The ship is 2 furlongs from the dread pilot Omar and his band of thieves. The captain has a probability of 1/2 of hitting the pirate ship. The pirate only has 1 good eye, so he hits the captain's ship with probability 2 out of 7, or 2/7. If both fire their cannons at the same time, what is the probability that both the pirate and the captain hit each other's ships? Alright, like we said before, for independent events occurring together, you just multiply the individual probabilities. So the probability that both hit is going to be the probability that the captain hits times the probability that the pirate hits. Alright? Because they're asking in the problem the probability that both of them hit. Alright? So the captain hitting probability is 1/2. And the pirate hitting probability is 2 out of 7. So you just multiply those two fractions. Okay, 2 divided by 2 cancels. And we have a 1 in the numerator and a 7 in the denominator. So it's just 1 out of 7. So in the box you type 1/7. Michael Beasley is shooting free throws. Making or missing free throws doesn't change the probability that he will make his next one, and he makes his free throws 75% of the time. What is the probability of Michael making all of his next 4 free throw attempts? Alright, so let's see. He makes the free throws 75% of the time. If you move the decimal over 2 places, that's going to be the same as 0.75. Okay? So these 4 free throws, they're all independent events. So I'm going to leave 4 spaces here. And he wants to make all of his next 4 free throw attempts. Alright? So each one, the probability is 0.75. Alright, so for the first one, that's going to be a 0.75. For the second one, that's going to be a 0.75. And the third and fourth, same thing. Okay. That's the first free throw, second free throw, third free throw, and fourth free throw. So remember, for independent events, you just multiply the probabilities. So these 0.75s are just going to be multiplied by each other. Okay? So if you multiply 0.75 4 times, that's the same as 0.75 to the 4th power, okay, because you're multiplying them 4 times. So this should be one of the options. And there it is, answer C. Okay, it says choose one answer, so just choose the one correct answer. If you flip a coin and roll a 6-sided die, what is the probability that you will flip a heads and roll an even number? So these are 2 independent events. So we're just going to multiply the 2 probabilities by each other. So the probability when you flip a coin, the probability of getting heads is just going to be 1 out of 2. And for the 6-sided die, to roll an even number, that's just going to be 3 out of 6. All right, so 3 out of 6 is actually the same as 1/2. So we can just do 1/2 times 1/2. 1 times 1 is just 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. So in the box, 1/4.